In this video, you'll learn how to download your invoice from Taskrabbit. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to access and save your transaction history effortlessly. First, navigate to the Taskrabbit homepage using your preferred web browser. Once the page has fully loaded, locate the account option situated at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Account to proceed to your account settings. After accessing your account, you will see a menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the Transactions option, which is listed under the Your Account section. Click on Transactions to view your transaction history. Upon clicking Transactions, the transaction history page will appear. At the top of this page, you will find the option labeled Download Transaction History. Click on this link to initiate the download process. Next, you will be prompted to select the year for which you wish to download your transaction history. Choose the appropriate year from the drop-down menu. Additionally, you may have the option to select the format for the download, such as PDF or CSV. Make your selections accordingly. Once you've made your year and format selections, your invoice or transaction history will begin downloading automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to choose a location on your device to save the file. Ensure you remember where you save it for easy access later. It is important to consider that larger transaction histories may take longer to download. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient storage space on your device to accommodate the file. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection, as a slow connection can affect download speeds. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.